Now I'm going to show you how to become a TubeBuddy affiliate. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on anything. Head over to your YouTube studio and press the TubeBuddy button. Scroll down to my account, to the affiliate program on the web. You can tell people about TubeBuddy, and every time someone signs up with your unique affiliate link, if they eventually buy something, you will get a commission. So you can earn up to 50% recurring, and this is the standard affiliate. That's where you start. You get 30% commission and recurring. And then the VIP affiliate gets 40% commission and the super affiliate gets 50% commission. And how do you achieve that? Well, everyone starts at standard. As 50 people have signed up to TubeBuddy, just installed it. There's no need for them to purchase, but they have installed it. You can become a VIP affiliate. Once 250 people have done it, you become a super affiliate and you earn 50% commission recurring. Now remember, you need to have a PayPal account before you do this, and remember the email address that you use for your PayPal account. To start with, we're gonna give a personal affiliate code. I'm gonna try Malin here. And it looks like it hasn't been taken yet. Yay! So I'm going to try to use that. That's easy to remember, and it's easy for my audience to remember as well. And then I'm adding my email address here that I used for my PayPal account. I'm going over the affiliate program terms of service, and once I'm happy with that, I just click submit. And there we go. Here is the affiliate dashboard with my link, my email address for the PayPal account, and you can also see, of course, a summary of the lifetime payments. This is a standard affiliate with 30% commission. If I get 50 people to sign up with TubeBuddy, I become a VIP affiliate, and another 250 to become the super affiliate. So this is awesome. This is how quickly you can become an affiliate. It's already done. But wait, there is more. Click assets to the left. You have all these great logos and icons that you can download and use in your promotional material. You can click Quickstart here, and TubeBuddy helps you by advising you what to do, how to tell a story, how to create call to action, inspire, engage, educate. So this is great. This is actually great affiliate support. And TubeBuddy also has samples for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If you want to just copy that and post it on your channels with your link, you see mine right there. You can just start right now. It's so easy. Now you can start promoting your link. So good luck out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.